In this section, I'm going to teach you how to download Power BI on your computer. It's super easy. So first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Power BI download desktop. The first link should look something like this. Let's click on this link. Alrighty, now we enter this website. What we want to do is go to download. It's going to give us a couple options. You want to go with the 64-bit version. It's just better. Let's click on download. So it is downloading for me right now. It may take a bit. Let's wait and see. Now it's finished downloading. Let's find the file. Let's click on PBI Desktop Setup 64. Let's click on Run. Language we want to select English. Perfect. Let's go to Next. Read the terms and agreement. I accept these terms. Let's go next. And you can put it wherever you want. I'm just going to click on Next. Create a desktop for shortcut. Why not? Install. Now that we have completed the installation, let's click on Finish and launch Power BI Desktop. Perfect. Now you have Power BI on your computer. Let's go to blank report and you can start using your Power BI setup.